Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well and making profits with crypto. Guys, we all have been mining in Hamster Combat and eagerly waiting for the token launch because it is one of the genuine projects that is all set to reward its users, and we all are expecting a huge reward from Hamster Combat because this project has the potential to make you a millionaire. But nowadays so many people are calling it a scam because of the daily combo cards. By collecting the daily combo cards, you can claim 5 million extra Hamster coins per day. But guys, it is not that easy, and now it seems like a scam and a smart trick to burn a huge supply. So in this video I'll talk about, is Hamster Combat daily combo a scam, how you can increase your profit per hour, and why Team Hamster Combat said that profit per hour is more important than the main coin balance. So guys, just keep watching this video till the end to understand everything in detail, and if you find this video helpful and informative, then please like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all the upcoming updates and videos. Well, without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, first of all, let's talk about why they have chosen a different way and why they are prioritizing the per hour profit instead of the main coin balance. They are doing it because of the bot users, because they want to keep the game activities unbiased and fair for all the users, because so many users were using auto clickers and other apps and bots to keep clicking on the app to earn more coins. That is the reason they have decided to prioritize profit per hour more than the main coin balance. So now main coin balance is just money you have in your account to buy new cards to increase your profit per hour. So the reason behind this decision is very simple. They want to keep the game activities and rules fair for everyone. Now comes another important part of the video. Are they doing scams with their users, and are daily combo cards no longer valuable now? Why I am saying this? The reason is very simple. You can see on your screen, here's a card for which you have to spend 1 million coins and then you will get 5k profit per hour. And here's one more card for which you have to pay 1.1 million coins and you will get 8.03k profit per hour. So what do you think? Is it worth to pay that many coins just to increase a few thousand profit per hour? Well guys, this is the question most of the people keep asking nowadays. Well, let me tell you, if you are paying 1 million coins and you are increasing just 5 to 8k profit per hour, then you can do your simple math. How much you will get back with these cards in a day, and how many days it will take to recover the coins that you have paid. If you find it can recover your investment just within a few hours, or let's say some days, then spending that many coins for that card is worth it. It is not a scam. They are introducing new cards every day just to identify the real users and to block bot users to maintain the game's dignity. However, it is completely your call whether you want to buy those cards or not. Well guys, I believe you find this video informative, so please like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all the upcoming updates and videos. Thanks for watching.